Sometimes family isn't about blood ties, but about the people who stay and protect you. Like this.
Good morning. I wish I took a video of you with your brother. Yeah, he loves you.
Forget babysitters. This cat is running a 24/7 babysitting service.
Bien dormido el blanco con el güero. Blanco.
Cariño.
Güero. Están bien dormidos los dos.
Simply standing and waiting was enough to show how much the cat cared about the baby.
Jessica.
Even at such a young age, the baby already has a little protector.
George, no.
Like a true babysitter, the cat won't stop rocking until the baby falls asleep.
I see.
Keep your paws closed, or you're gonna get off them.
Okay.
Thank you.
Despite her small stature, she's very serious, sitting beside you like an adorable tutor.
Cat! Let's talk, Cat. Good boy. Oh, honey. Oh, give me kisses. Oh.
Nothing is sweeter than the bond between a little one and their furry friend. When a kid and a cat become best friends, every moment turns magical. They simply know how to love each other without any selfishness.
Good boy, Jefferson. Oh, so gentle. Oh, good boy. Such a good boy.
So, what are we up to today? Oh, it seems we're beating our children today, are we? Slow down. It's much better. You're burping her, not beating our brains out. Jeez, them.
No, don't touch that part, baby. Can you get that part?
Cats may seem cold, but when the baby gets sick, they stay close and care quietly.
Go. Get down. Get down. Leave him alone, Bubba. He's trying to get away from you.
Children and cats communicate in a secret language that we cannot understand.
Hey!
The moment he saw his little friend crying, he rushed to stop the tears. They grew up together and will always be best friends. That gentle gaze seemed to only exist when the cat looked towards the baby. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this tender moment brought a smile to your day. Wishing you good health, peace, and the joy of always having a little companion by your side. If this moment touched your heart, please like, comment, and follow the channel for more sweet stories to